Tour 55, 1037. Unfortunately, we're turning into Crown Inn.
Crown Inn.
Contact West Memphis and get a tag on that. Put your hands out the window! Put your hands out the window! Hey, come up here with me. Come up here with me. Ma'am, stay back, stay back. All right, come around the driver's side. Hey, we're going around the driver's side. He's the only one in the car. All right, let's go right here. You better not move, you understand me? Reach out with your left hand and open the door. And step out slowly. Turn around and face that way. Hey, I'm gonna back him up to y'all. Back up to the back of the car. If you move, you're gonna get dog bit, you understand? Back up to the back of the car. Stop right there. Go down to your knees. Lay down on the asphalt. Lay down on the asphalt. All right, sorry. I got Leslie. Keep going. Hey, I got him at 90, coming through MLK. Carl. Yep. Yep. All right, stand by for your crossfire. Let's get on. Go. Y'all. All right. Oh, you. Yeah, I got you. I'll probably roll out. All right. You good? I was trying to push out away. No. I thought I was going to tear up her Cadillac. She's the owner in the green shirt. Yes, sir. Force East 1015, clear from it. Force the owner is on the scene. I'll get you a name in just a second.
County advised us to give a tag to this Mr. behind the correct vehicle.
Oh, yeah. Is this your car? You got your ID?
Where's my son? I'm keeping it. Last he out of town, I'm going to give these keys to you. Yes, it's Tiger.
Do you know the individual that stole it? How did he get it?
Well, I was,
You went to the store or something?
Yep.
Okay.
I was just ran in there.
Y'all gonna do a report on it? All right, y'all keep him in custody then. I'll just do
he has 2 warrants out of state.
Okay.
So I don't know, they say they won't, but I don't know how y'all want to do it.
They said
they won't extradite out of state. Okay, now we can do it. They ain't gonna extradite. Yeah. So it's good?
Yeah. I thought I was finna tear a Cadillac up.
I was right there at 14. I was like, there.
Force City copy. 919-547-248. 919-547-248. Miss Deborah Chat. She was driving a vehicle when this individual stole it. She pulled into a gas station and got out. He jumped in and took off. That's who the vehicle's going to be released to. Miss Chat, are these your bags in the car? that blue Nike bag yours? No. I'll give you that back. We're going to release the vehicle to you as soon as we clear everything out of it. Concrete was hot on them paws. He was going. I was finna move over here with y'all.
Hey, miss. Hey, is this yours? No, I don't think so.
He just jumped in and took out. She said she was going to win in the store, and he... Get it at the store? Yeah. Miss Chat, what store were you at?
Dollar General.
Dollar General?
So you just left the window and made you get out of here?
I had just left the front. I shouldn't have did that, but I just left the front. Did run right in there, come out.
Did he have a gun when he...
No. But I seen them, when I was getting out the car, I seen them walking up, looking. But I didn't think, I just went on in the store
And you left it
and
running?
grabbed me some clothes.
Are you borrowing this vehicle or is this...
It's her son's.
What's his name?
So Michael Taylor. What's his name?
He has a bunch of... I don't
You
know.
know his name? Taylor? Is his name Taylor?
There's Michael Taylor. There's Kiana Walls on this. Or Kiana Wells on this. There's a whole bunch of other... Do you know a Michael Taylor, Miss Chat?
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my video and press bell icon to get future updates.